Alright, mi gente, guys, we're here in Rockville Center, New York, and we got the call today, no cooling. That's right, no bueno, guys. So you guys can see right behind me, my technician right now is ready to put on the manifold gauges. They want to check if the pressure is all right, or if the compressor is either turning on or not turning on. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys momentarily what's going on. My hunch is, I think the compressor is not turning on. Why? Because we just turned on the unit, the fan is on, I don't hear the compressor. So in a couple of minutes, I'm going to find out if the compressor is turning on or it's off. So stay tuned. Wait. Alright guys, so my hunch was right. The compressor's not working, it's not operating. How do you know? Well, very simply, come over here. Come. So right here, notice that the low side, it's about 205, and on the high side, it's about 205. So what does that tell you? The pressures are equal. That's telling me there's no differential. That's telling me immediately that the compressor is not turning on. So I also know that because when I put my hand around here, I should feel hot air if it's operating correctly, but it's not. And I also go by ear. I didn't hear the compressor turn on, so my hunch was right. So meaning that the compressor is not turning on. So guys, we got to figure out why it's not turning on. And guess what? My hunch is, I think it has the back capacitor. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll show you what it is to troubleshoot. But now we just started doing some troubleshooting, so now we have a direction to which way we want to go. So now we got to check the electronics, why the compressor is not turning on.
Llama New York Caldero, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general, va a ponerlo tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, llama New York Caldero, fuego, llama New York Caldero.
Okay guys, my hunch was right. See, this is what I'm talking about when experience comes into play. What do I mean? I pay attention, I listen, I touch, I feel. Sure enough, my hunch is right. So I know that the compressor is not turning on. Why? Because it's a back capacitor. But we have to check, verify with a tester, and make sure that it is the capacitor. It could be something else. But the reason why I think it was the capacitor, first I didn't hear the compressor turn on. The fan is working, so it's telling me there's power. What else is involved in the cabinet that has to do with the compressor? A capacitor. So guys, troubleshooting does not be that difficult. So guys, if you have a problem, call me with the one where 516-377-5200. Wepa. Alright guys, we just finished installing the capacitor. You guys can see there's a difference now. Notice that the low side you're about 125, and on the high side you're about 250 to 275. So there's a differential. Now we know that the compressor is actually operating and working. So guys, another hint is I put my hand here, I'm feeling warm air, which is indicating to me that it's working because it's rejecting heat. So guys, use your common sense, use your coco, baby, that's right. But if you have a problem, you call this handsome son of a bitch right here, Louis the Quarterman, and help you get some cooling all summer long. Call me, that's right, 516-377-5200. But most importantly, guys, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell button, leave a comment below. Until next time, wepa!
Louis, 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 Lou. Louis, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the border man. Oh, I'm the border man. Louis, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York border en general. Va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. ¡Huepa!